Hello everyone, I am Chef Bauram. Today I will show you how to make cheese ball Manchurian. This is very delicious and very famous all around the world, especially in the Asia as well Middle East also. Before I make my cheese ball Manchurian, I want to show you all my ingredients, what I need. I have here chopped garlic, corn flour, chopped green chili, chopped onion, one piece of egg, chopped carrot and cabbage, normal flour and cottage cheese, ginger, coriander, chili paste, spring onion, vinegar, soy sauce and salt. I will mix my cabbage and carrot with salt. Reason of keeping salt in the beginning, cabbage has lot of bitterness, so I will keep it in the salt at least 6 to 7 minutes. Then cabbage will leave all the bitter water. Then I will squeeze all the water from the cabbage carrot. Then I will start with, as you can see, I will squeeze all the water from the cabbage and carrot. This is all the bitter water. Then I will keep it on the side. I will mix my cottages with cabbage and carrot. This is the time to add little bit of chopped garlic here, ginger and chopped green chili. Just little bit, otherwise cheese ball will be little bit spicy. I don't want to make too much spicy. Just coriander and little bit of onion. Then I'll put it here egg also. Then just little bit of salt. Then I'll mix all the ingredients together. The ball you can make is little bit big also, but I will not make too much big. This is the perfect. Then I'll make same the way. 3. As you can see, I made a few pieces of ball shape, and I will make different shape. This is same like a crooked shape. Then I'll make same the way how I made one piece. As you can see, I already made 2 different shapes. Then I have already oil here. I will put it in the oil one by one. Make sure oil not too high, not low. As you can see, I didn't put too much together, otherwise oil will go out from the pan. Then later on, when one side will be golden brown, then I will turn another side. As you can see, my cheese ball Manchurian already golden brown. I will cook just little bit more. Make sure it has to cook from the inside also. This is the time to take out from the oil. And I'll keep it here. And I will do same the way how I did the ball one. 3. This is almost ready. I will give little bit more color because this size is little bit big. Make sure it has to cook from inside as well. However, this cheese ball I will cook with a little bit gravy. One with gravy, one with dry. Just keep watching. I will show you all the way. Ready? I will just keep it transfer the oil, put in the plate. Make sure I need to strain all the oil, and I will transfer in the small plate. As you can see, my ginger, garlic, onion and green chili getting golden brown. I will toast. This is the time to add my chili paste here. This is for dry and gravy together. I will take half for the gravy and half for the dry. Now I will add little bit of soya sauce here. Salt. I will not add too much salt, otherwise my Manchurian will be salty. Vinegar, half teaspoon. Then I mix all together, and I will add here chopped coriander. I will add here half teaspoon sugar as well. Just a little bit of black pepper. Now, this is the take. Half Mise Plus for the gravy. I'll put my Manchurian here. I will add just little bit of water here, because whatever we are cooking, we need flavor. I want to cook little bit my Manchurian inside the gravy. My cheese ball Manchurian almost ready. This is the time to plating. We can do from many way. This is depend what you have available in your house or hotel or wherever you are working. At the moment I am making from home, so I will do simple presentation. I don't have many plates or many ingredients. I will do just simple presentation. Instead of keeping empty plate, we can put some banana leaf, any green leaves in the bottom of the plate to give nice presentation. Then I will add here all the onion, tomato, here. Make sure before you serve your food to guest, your plate has to be clean. For my cheese ball Manchurian dry, later on I will show you the same way of the gravy also. And this is my cheese ball Manchurian, and this is ready to serve. As I said you in the beginning, I made already cheese ball Manchurian dry, and this is the time to make gravy. I will add here my half Mise Plus here. Then I will add here water. Before I add corn flour inside the gravy, I want to check the seasoning. This is perfect seasoning for me because I already made dry, so all the spices, ingredients inside the Mise Plus. So I will add just a little bit of corn flour here. I will not add too much, otherwise my gravy becomes jelly. Once you put corn flour, you need to mix immediately. I will add my cheese Manchurian because this is not the ball, so we cannot say ball. Then I will mix with the gravy. This is good to have with steamed rice, fried rice or noodles. I will add just little bit of spring onion here. My cheese Manchurian is ready to serve and plating as well. First I'll put cheese Manchurian inside the bowl. Same the way, and I will put all the gravy here. This is the gravy, so I want to keep gravy here, and I will finish with spring onion. This is my recipe as well. I can say cheese ball Manchurian gravy and cheese ball Manchurian dry. If you like my recipe and videos, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe is free of cost. It will not take any money. Just you need to click the button, and don't forget to like as well. If I will get your support, I will keep updating more video and recipe. And I want to say Happy Vijay Dashami to all the Nepalese people as well Indian who is celebrating Dasara. And wherever you are, stay safe and healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.